How to obtain construction practicing licenses in Vietnam. The construction practicing license shall be issued to any Vietnamese citizens, overseas Vietnamese or foreigners who legally carry out construction activities in Vietnam in order to hold certain positions or operate their own construction business as prescribed in the amended Law on Construction 2020. Holders of titles and individuals practicing construction activities who are required to possess practicing licenses as prescribed in Law on Construction include construction investment project managers, construction planning design managers, construction survey managers, construction design or design verification managers, construction supervision consultants, and managers in charge of formulating, verifying and managing construction investment costs. Any foreigner who obtained a practicing certificate issued by a foreign authority or organization and has practiced construction in Vietnam for less than 6 months shall be permitted to practice construction activities. If he or she has practiced construction in Vietnam for at least 6 months, he or she is required to change the construction practicing license. A foreigner shall be issued with the practicing license if he or she has full legal capacity as prescribed by law and obtains a residence permit or work permit in Vietnam, has qualifications and experience relevant to requirements of the practicing certificate, passes the test in the field that is covered by the practice license applied for. Practicing licenses shall be classified into Rank I, Rank II and Rank III. In particular, a Rank I practicing license is granted to the individual who gains a bachelor's degree in appropriate major and at least 7 years experience relevant to requirements of that practicing license. A Rank II practicing license is granted to the individual who gains a bachelor's degree in appropriate major and at least 4 years experience relevant to requirements of that practicing license. A Rank III practicing license is granted to the individual who has appropriate qualifications and at least 2 years experience relevant to requirements of that practicing license with respect to the holder of the undergraduate degree and at least 3 years experience with respect to the holder of the associate degree or intermediate diploma. The Competence Authority in Vietnam to grant practice licenses. The construction specialized agencies directly under the Ministry of Construction shall grant Rank I practicing licenses. The Department of Construction issues Rank II, Rank III practicing license and recognized socio-professional organizations grant Rank II, Rank III practicing license to individuals who are their members and members. For application of the practicing license, the applicant shall submit an application form for issuance of the practicing license, electronically or by post or in person, to the issuing authority. From the date on which the satisfactory application is received, the issuing authority shall issue the construction practicing license within 20 days in the case of issuance of the license for the first time. In the case the application is unsatisfactory, the issuing authority shall notify the applicant in writing once within 5 days from the date on which the application is received. The practicing license of a foreign individual, its effective period shall be determined according to the period specified in the work permit or temporary resident card issued by a competent authority but not exceed 5 years. The above are provisions on the process of granting construction practicing licenses for foreign individuals working in Vietnam under the amended Law on Construction 2020. The amended Law on Construction 2020 takes effect from January 1, 2021. A&T Lawyers, a law firms in Vietnam with offices in Hanoi, Danang, Ho Chi Minh City could assist clients with application process.